The only other account that I have on my TradeZella is the Dragonfly, which I don't always deselect. So I have Dragonfly on there. Otherwise, they're all the funded accounts from the 5 or 6 different prop firms. The account sizes do vary. A lot of them are 25K, some of them are 50K, and then a couple of them are 150K. And how many accounts I'm trading at a time, it varies. Figure between 13 and 25, 28. Most time it's not, because if these ones are waiting for a payout, I'm not trading this batch of 5. If these ones are getting switched to the account, I'm not trading there. If this one hit its personal daily target, I'm not trading those. If this one hit its, for example, if this one hits a negative 200 or whatever, because this is a smaller account, I wouldn't be trading this anymore. This one right here. This was last night. I was shouldn't have been on my computer. I risked one funding ticks account and one lucid account. I lost the funding ticks account and maintained. This was trading one account at a time. This one I decided to just end on the evening at negative 200 or whatever that was. So either way, that's what that was. So it just depends. This is the one trade I took on the day. As you can see, it's not very much. One contract. But in general, figure it's somewhere between 15 and 20 at any given time. About 20 accounts at sometimes. And the only other account I put on TradeZella is Dragonfly, and that's only for the people. Otherwise, I don't put anything else on there. Mostly because I'm using TradeZella. I need to go in there and log the trades a little bit better. Again, it's a lot easier to do if you take one trade. But I don't think TradeZella does a great job at basketing them the way that it should. It has that feature, but it doesn't function well. So to go in there and properly break down your trade is kind of a horrible process. Or I wish you could batch them better, but you can't. So I need to use it better. But I'm using TradeZella mostly for my futures growth, tracking the progress of this is where I started. And before July, those 2 months were really bad. I was using Trade Syncer. I was using Trade Copy IO. I was using quite a few things, and it was disgustingly red, awful. So all year hasn't been that good. It's the journey, right? It's the process. Some of it is me. Some of it was my lack of knowledge or experience in this side. Some of it has been technology. Some of it has been my own personal trading flaws or growth. Some of it is the market. Some of it is the rules I didn't know were rules or didn't comprehend using them properly, in all fairness, because I had never traded with those things. So baby steps.